Hello, my name is Alicia Shapiro with AInews.com, and right now I'm here with Chris Clemens, the founder and principal of Nexios Communication Strategies. Chris, please tell us about Nexios and what you do at the company.
Absolutely. We are a media strategy and public relations firm working with Silicon Valley venture capital firms and supporting their portfolio companies in sectors like AI, FinTech, cybersecurity, and health tech.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's really great. And Nexios has a strong focus of helping companies in high-stakes industries, like you just mentioned, AI, FinTech, and cybersecurity, and you help them tell their stories. Can you share an example of a particularly challenging campaign and how your team was able to successfully navigate it?
Sure. We actually had a pretty challenging new campaign that we worked on with a company who's also here at the conference, who you also spoke with, Helena. Helena, led by Mohammed El-Gendi and the ML Ops community, are really sort of taking the lead in emphasizing the importance of quality control and testing and validation in the AI space. And so in June, they organized the very first AI quality conference, or AIQ Con.
Okay.
And it's challenging anytime you're starting a new event, new conference from ground zero,
Yes.
starting from nothing with no brand recognition or sort of history to the event. And so getting people interested in coming out was definitely a challenge. Nexios led the media relations for the conference. And over the course of several months, we were able to connect with a number of very high impact media organizations and get them to attend the conference. I was actually able to recruit Senator Scott Wiener of California, who authored SB 1047, which is the well-known AI regulatory bill in the California Senate.
Yep.
Senator Wiener graciously agreed to appear and was interviewed on stage by tech reporter Jared DeVink from the Washington Post.
Okay.
I was also able to recruit Natasha Mascarenas from The Information to appear and moderate our VC panel. And we also had TechCrunch and Axios in attendance.
Wow.
So we were extremely pleased, starting from something that was a brand new event. We organized something that was like very, very high impact. The Kalena team and the ML Ops community team also did an amazing job of organizing, selecting the venue. Over 1,000 people came out, from researchers to AI startups to much larger companies. So it was a very successful event.
That's amazing. Yeah, that's great. And with your extensive experience in media strategy and public relations, what emerging trends do you see shaping the future of storytelling for tech companies, especially in the AI and FinTech sectors?
Yeah, it's such a great question. There are so many things happening and changing so quickly in this space. I think one of the most exciting things for me is to realize that there are the sort of big, huge AI companies that we've all heard about that are getting 10 billion plus valuations, Scale AI, Cohere, Flexity, whoever. But it's exciting for me to realize that among the companies who are going to be the next superstars, the next real bellwether companies, are companies who are right here at AI4 that are just barely starting out, that don't have the kind of name recognition right now. Maybe nobody will see them coming, but they're here.
They're here.
And it's incredibly fun to be able to talk to the engineers, the product managers, founders here, who are thinking those big thoughts.
Yes.
And building those next great companies. And it'll just be a thrill, I think, to just watch them grow and develop.
I think that's what's interesting to me is the creative side of it, because if you think of AI and you think of all the technical machine learning and data science people and things like that. But to me, I like the creative side. I want to see what it can do. And it's come really far with those AI generators, the images and videos. But
no question.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing to see that. Well, thank you, Chris, for sharing your insights and joining me
so
today.
Much.
And for more interviews and news about AI, be sure to check out AInews.com.